Dee Valladares is amazing contestant of the Survivor Season 45. Dee, an entrepreneur, founded Wanaroam, her own backpack company driven by a passion for travel, as shared with Parade magazine. Dee Valladares was crowned the winner of Survivor 45. She was a competitive force on Survivor Season 45 and she pulled out the win during the December 20 finale. The 27-year-old entrepreneur was a part of the dominant Reba alliance with Austin Lee Kuhn, Drew Basile and Julie Ellie that ran the game until the final six, when they finally turned on each other. During the finale episode, Dee won her third immunity challenge of the season and brought Austin with her to the final three. She successfully argued her case to the jury and secured 5 of the 8 votes to win Survivor 45. Throughout the season, Dee's showmans posed challenges to her strategic objectives, leading her to navigate alliances independently while occasionally resorting to deception. She got there by protecting her number one allies, as she envisioned a dual use for them. They would serve both as her shields as well as numbers speaking in her favor. She also has a distinction of winning the majority of the immunity challenges on the show. Since its inception in 2000, Survivor has been a consistent presence in CBS's reality TV competition lineup. Despite evolving over the years, the fundamental principles of the game have remained constant. In season 45, contestants divided into tribes, engaging in strategic battles to outwit, outplay and outlast each other for power and prizes. In her professional journey, Dee has a background in sales. She served in sales development at Drata from June 2022 to February 2023 and previously worked as a sales and marketing specialist at Pure Compounding Pharmacy from June 2018 to January 2022. In the final episode of Survivor Season 45, Julie got eliminated first when Katra chose to take her out instead of Austin. Dee, winning immunity, had the chance to decide who to bring to the final tribal